What I have here is a quiche made with a crust pastry as old as the mountains. We're using all-purpose flour, coated with oil before you begin the process. Add a bit of lemon juice to make it nice and fluffy and crusty. Very important, when you fold the dough together, fold it onto itself to make natural layers into the pastry. Refrigerate for 30 minutes at least before rolling it out, always rotating your pastry so that it doesn't stick to your counter. Transfer the pastry onto a rolling pin and onto your pie dish. Carefully get the pastry into all the nooks and crannies by lifting it up and squeezing it down. Trim and be as delicate or as rough as you like. I blind baked this pastry for about 10 minutes before starting the fillings. First some cheddar cheese grated, and then fill with your egg mixture here with some Parmesan cheese. You can use anything you want in a quiche. I simply took some mushrooms and some seasonal asparagus to do this filling. Very simple and very delicious. Bake in a hot oven and voila! A wonderfully seasonal quiche for those people who arrive unannounced over Christmas. Enjoy with a crisp white wine, in this case Cathedral Cellars Chardonnay.